Hi there. So I think you've already created an account, but it's at Mendeley.com, and you're going to click create a free account. Give it your email, give it a password, and then when you've done that, one of the things you're going to want to do is you're going to scroll down. It will. There's different places where it shows it, but you want to download Mendeley. And if you want, it's Mendeley.com download reference manager. And if you're not on a Windows machine, if you're on a PC or Linux, it will show, it'll say download for Mac or something like that. So that's one of the things you're going to want to do. It lives both on your desktop, on your laptop, but also on the web. And so I'm already logged in, so I wanted to show you this in incognito mode. So here you are, you've signed in, you've downloaded the Mendeley Reference Manager. You're going to click on Library. And then you're going to see all your references. Yours will be blank, right? Kind of like my recently added is blank. And then you're going to come down here to Private Groups. You're going to click where it says New Group. And I'm going to say Testing New Group. I hit enter and it takes a moment, and then it should show up. And then when you click on it, right, we still don't have anything in it. That's fine. I'm going to right click. So that was a right click. I'm going to manage the group, and this is how I can invite members, just by typing in email addresses. I'm not going to invite anybody right now. If you want to invite me to a group to test it out, that's absolutely fine. Now the question is, how do I get things into there's nothing here. So I have more things in my references, so I'll show you a couple of things. When you add something to your Mendeley, this is a database of stuff, it's going to by default go into your references. You can't add it immediately into a group. You first have to put it in your references and then get it into the group. So when you do have some things in, it's going to be as easy as clicking a few things that you like. And so I've selected these. I'm going to come down here to organize. I want to add it to the private collection, and I want to add it to the testing new group. And I put add, and now when I click on testing new group, there's my 3 right there. So right now I'm working in Mendeley.com. I'm going to show you pretty similarly how it looks if you're working in the desktop version. So this is the version that lives on the desktop. You can tell because there's no URL up here. If there's a www. something, then you're in the web version. But you can see it's been syncing because here they are. Here are my 4. So we can always select things and pull them in that way. The other thing we can do is we can add new files or add new citations by going from a file from my computer. I'm going to look at my desktop because I have a couple of things. I'm going to take this under the volcano, and let me just, I'll use this. This has some, oops, that doesn't have it. Sorry. Let me, I'll just take this one to start. So I'm just going to take this one PDF that I have. I'm going to click open, and it's going to bring it in. There we are. It's uploading down here. And so now here it is. And if I want to add this, I'm going to click. Remember down here, I'm going to organize. I'm going to add it to my private group. I'm going to choose the right private group and click add. And so now when I go over here, here's my under the volcano. So that's how you're going to do it. You can also, just for the record, if I wanted to save these into all of these, and I wanted to put them into another, like I have a zombies folder for myself that I'm not sharing with people, I would put add to collection, and I'm going to say add these. These are all go in my zombies folder. And so it's Knox Fall, Odom, Highland. When I click here, here they are. They've just come in. And you might notice, oh, I've got duplicates. I can take this one and I can delete it and have it go away because I already know I have a duplicate of it. So that's the beginning of things. I'm happy to show you how to do more. You can work with it in your desktop, and it will sync with what it looks like. Here we are on the web version. So I hope that helps.